Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I cannot believe that I'm making a video after so long. It's been approximately 3 months. Today's video is gonna be very exciting because it is a shopping haul and I have so much to show you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I have bought a bunch of stuffs from Shein recently, जिसमें से कुछ clothes थे और कुछ other stuffs and so I'm thinking which one to show you guys first. I think let's do the clothes later and other things first. So the first item that I want to show you guys is this eyelashes palette that I got. These are fake lashes. I loved the length of it और जैसे ये photos में है, it's exactly like that. I will try and put all the links down below in my comment, in my description section. Please, if you guys want it, go ahead, click the link. And the second thing is this amazing card wallet. It's a very small wallet. I took this because I have a very big wallet and I wanted to have something this I can just put in my cards because I like the shine on it. It's really nice. ठीक है, और इसका जो गोल्ड चीज़ है ये इसको बहुत अच्छा टच देता है. सो यू नो आई ब्लैक एंड गोल्ड कॉम्बिनेशन कैन नेवर गो रॉन्ग. सो दिस इज़ अ वेरी नाइस वॉलेट एंड दिस वॉज फॉर अराउंड $5 and this is also around $3 to $4. And the next thing that I bought, which I did try, are these fake nails. Guys, these actually are really nice nails. I don't have a photo, otherwise मैं आपको बताती. And this is also around $5 only, and but this doesn't comes with a glue, so you'll have to buy a glue. So I bought a glue from some other beauty shop here. So yeah, this just buy any nail glue, file your nails properly and then put this, and this is gonna stay if you do it properly. So even though I did a very pathetic job with it, फिर भी ये 2-3 दिन तक मेरे nails रहे थे, which I completely loved. It is this nude pink color with silver shine on it. Okay, and yeah, I also bought a lipstick. I loved the shade of this but I don't know why I bought it because I don't put red. Red is not my color, but I wanted to have a red lipstick, so I bought this. And iska color I'm gonna show you guys. Like, do you see that? It's very like ruby red, like the one जो MAC का होता है. So this is somewhat that color, and this is very bright red, and red is not my color, but I just wanted to have one. Love the packaging. You see how cute it looks. Yeah, this was also not expensive. This was around $2 or $3. I don't know the exact prices. I'm just gonna give you an approximation, guys. Okay, moving on to clothes now. I'm very excited to show you. I bought some really nice pieces for myself and some are complete failure. So I believe let's just face our failures first. And the first failed top that I bought was this yellow polo neck long top. You know, I loved the polo neck, I loved the color, but it was just so big for me. Do you see? This is covering the whole screen. So everything is really good about this, and this was actually the most expensive, one of the expensive tops that I bought. So this was for around $17 to $18. Baki ke mere sare, but this was very मगर ये I mean it's good for winters. I have bought stuff to wear in winters here, something that I can wear for my office, and yet you know it is something that keeps me warm. So it is a warm material, but I cannot wear it unless and until someone can alter it for me. I cannot wear this. So this is a failure, but I loved the color and that's the reason I bought it. Magar fail. Number 2 is my favorite. It is again a polo neck black full sleeves tee, and this looks so smart guys. मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती कि ये कितना smart लगता है. If you just like put your hair down, put a nude lipstick and you know do that a little makeup and just like wear it with the blue jeans, you are gonna look fab. I just loved this one. Now coming to my next number 3, and it is actually one of my favorite tops that I bought. In fact, I have been wearing it quite a lot. I wore it till now 3-4 times. This is a sweater with a big heart. Oh my god, I hope you guys can see. This is a knitted sweater and I bought it because I love the heart in the middle of the whole thing here. And yes, very warm, very good for winters, and very casual stuff. So, but I do wear it to office also sometimes. Now the next thing that I'm gonna show you is something that I bought at a sale on Shein. It's a very it's a long cardigan sweater. I don't know what to call it. It's a cardigan actually. It's a black and white stripped sweater or cardigan, you can see. So this was around $12 or $14, but somehow iski fit अच्छी नहीं है. I have just worn it once and it wasn't looking, maybe it is for somebody who is very tall. I'm not that tall, so maybe that's why this wasn't looking good on me. It's just like, it wasn't giving any shape to my body. That's why I understand why this was on sale. This wasn't really good. So I would actually consider a failed purchase too, because I know I'm not gonna wear it a lot. Now next thing is, which I've only worn once, but I do, another polo neck. It's all polo neck for winters. So I love the color. It has like kind of bell sleeves here, and ये polo neck का है, बहुत casual है. You can also wear it for you can wear it for office, and also like when I wore it for office too, and also when I was just going out for coffee or something, I would wear this. It looks really smart, and at the same time, it is warm. Well, it's not completely warm. It's not that sweatery material, but still, it's like polo neck. It feels good. Now the second last. Oh my god, ये वीडियो बहुत बड़ी हो रही है. Anyways, I'm gonna try and wrap this up fast. So this is also a very cute top that I bought. This is actually kind of a sea green or turquoise color, very dusky dull color, but looks really good. It has a very big slit in the side. If you see, it's like till here. So I wear it with leggings, not with jeans. It looks stupid with jeans, but with leggings it looks really nice. Again, this is also very big for me. I don't know, I am so bad with my body size कि मुझे पता ही नहीं है. I'm so bad. मैं हमेशा गलत size के कपड़े order करती हूँ, and I've learned to order bigger sizes, so that's what it is. It is too big for me, but still somewhere okay, I can still wear it. I had worn. Okay, the last piece of this video is I was completely surprised by how good it looked on me, and I loved the color. Because I didn't have anything in that color. So are you guys ready? Dun, dun, dun. This color is so in, guys. Like lavender color is my color. I love lavender. It has nice this elastic thingy in the sleeves, and it just fits me perfect. It fits me. It's not loose, it's not tight, but somehow I didn't get a chance to wear it. The thing is that it needs to be ironed, and I'm very lazy. Anyways, I want to wear this. I hope I get to wear this soon, but I loved it, guys. And yeah, I'll try and put the link for all these tops in the description box down below. I am very excited that I'm making this video because it's been so long, and I just hope you guys liked what I bought, and there is more stuff coming. I actually wanted to wait I'm so sorry. I wanted to wait कि मेरी सारा सामान और आ जाए और मैं आपको एक साथ सब कुछ दिखाऊं, but ये ही वीडियो इतना लंबा हो रहा है. So maybe I'll make a second video in which there is some cosmetic stuffs which I want to show you guys, and then there is some more things I've ordered from Shein. So if you guys like this video, I'm definitely gonna make that other video too. Thank you so much. I didn't realize how much I enjoyed this and how much I missed this. You guys know what to do. Just like, subscribe, comment, do all those good stuff. And yeah, I love you guys. Bye.